All right, this video will show you how to make a copy of the template you need to use to make your portfolio. So you need to go first to Canvas and go to our class. If you were in first trimester, make sure you do not go to that one. You need to go to trimester 2-1 so that you have the right information here. If you scroll down, you'll see this Internship Portfolio section. And you can click on that link and it takes you here. So it talks about just the basics behind the portfolio. It says once you've made the copy, you can edit it and all that stuff. But to do that, we need to click on this link, and that will take you to this folder I've created with a view-only version of this student template. What you need to do is to click on the 3-button menu over here to the right. Don't click on this, you'll just view it. You need to make a copy. So you come over here, click on the 3 dots, and then hit make a copy. And you get a little message right here. And on your side, it will look a tiny bit different. It won't just pop up here like mine did. Yours will say copy of BEHS student portfolio made, and it will, like a little message will say find it or view it in folder. Click on that and then you'll see where it's at. All right, once you have made the copy, you click on it and you'll be here. What I need you to do now, the very first thing I want you to do is add me as an editor to your web page so that I can fill in the recommendations and skills that your portfolio mentor or host will be giving to me. All right, so to add me as a mentor, you come up here and hit the little guy with the plus sign, share with others. You type my email address in, tom.davidson@besd.net. Make sure that this says editor, notify is selected, and then hit send. I'll hit cancel because I'm just sharing it with myself and I don't need to do that, but you would hit done, and that would add me.